Well, hello everybody. This is Spider-Man 117 back here with another review for me changing my oil in my 1990 Chevy 1500 5.7 liter V8 two-wheel drive. Anyways, I'm under my truck, and this right here is where you drain the oil, and then that's the oil filter. Since it's such a pain, I don't think I'm going to be able to hold on to the camera and be able to take it off, but I'll show you after I'm done. So anyways, this is the old oil filter that I took off. I had to stab it with stab it with a screwdriver just to be able to get it off, because some of these are pretty darn hard to get off, and it's a Fram oil filter. Hopefully I don't get fucking like taken down, whatever, you know what I mean. But anyways, now I'm going to show you how much oil you should put in. I'm using SAE 10W30 oil. There's a good angle. And then it's important to make sure it gets in there. Sometimes it likes to screw with you too. Like it sinks back down because it has to fill in the whole filter. See, it'll be like at the top, or it'll look like it. Sank back down. As you can see, it goes back down. Okay, well, but like it like bubbles. Then you gotta make sure it's good. It shouldn't take more than 1 quart to fill it up. I mean, if it did, it's a pretty damn big oil filter in my book. Should almost be there. Keeps going down. Almost be there. Obviously, you don't want it to overflow, so it's good that I'm doing that. Fuck. Oh, well, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, well. Well, maybe it'll be almost done sinking back down in there. Well, almost there. And sometimes you gotta wonder how much oil it can possibly take. If I'm being honest. It's almost got to be there. Huh. Shit. And I would say fill it up to the orange line the best you can. Yep, so that looks just about good. Just a sec. So that's about good in my book. Then I'll show you what happens after I get it on. Well, I guess it still needs more. And then I'm draining my oil into the oil pan. Probably take a while, so I'll just end up skipping that. And then I always put my bolt like right in there. Well, as you can see, it's done draining oil, but a little bit of it's leaking, so I say screw it. And then I'll cut it to when I finally put the cap on. And then I finally got it back on. And then I'm going to put the oil filter on. And then I happen to get the oil filter on. So now all I got to do is just put some more oil in it. So there's the engine cap. Take that off. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 Quaker State 10W30 in, and then I'm going to put some seafoam in, and then put 2, and then check the oil. Yep, and then I found an easy way to do it. You put it in there and you tip it upside down. So I put 2 in so far, and I have 2 left, and now I'm going to put the seafoam in. And then I tipped it up. Hopefully it'll help clean out the engine. So then I ended up using 5 quarts of oil. I got a full one right there. I used the whole seafoam. And then I got a little bit left in this one though. And it's getting a little bit darker, but anyways, like another good thing is it's called like a wheel chock. And it's really good to have by your wheels though. So, well, hopefully it was educational enough to show somebody how to do an oil change, but like always, have a good night and look forward to more videos.